everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you an app, if you have a GM vehicle, that you can check on your car status, lock it and unlock it, and do various things. It used to be called the OnStar app, and now it's the Chevrolet app. So if you go into it, these are all the agreements that you have to agree to. There we go. So click agree. There we go. So the bottom of the screen you have sound alarm, stop alarm, lock, and unlock. My car is a baseline model, so I can use the sound alarm, stop alarm, lock, and unlock. Now the only power lock I have in the car is the trunk. So it will unlock the trunk. I do have a family member's car on here, so I switched it over to mine. So my car has no issues. So if you, where it says vehicle status, if you tap it, it gives you all the information. So it gives you, on the top it gives you full fuel level. I have 163 mile range. I have 58%. My tires are good. I did put air in my tires today before I left work. My oil life is good, and that is how many miles I have on the car. So what you can do is you could check for a recall. So if I click back, right? So if I push unlock, all it's going to do is unlock my trunk. So I'm going to push unlock. Now on the phone, it's asking me about my location. Thankfully, this app has a privacy thing, so you can't figure out where the person is. So I'm going to push allow while using the app. Now I'm not, right? So it gives you a command saying, hey, you're unlocked. Now, the one thing I am not going to do is use basically what is a panic button. I respect my neighbors and I do not want to upset them over a video. Alright, so now I am going to lock my trunk. So I'm going to push lock. And now the car is locked. So if I go more, I could do marketplace, I could do navigation, which I'll show off the GPS, the OnStar GPS, in another video. But they have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. So you have marketplace. So if I click that, you could do other things. OnStar Insurance, which I did not know they had. So they have their own insurance company now, which I did not know they had. I can locate my vehicle. Now I'm not going to push that because I don't want people trying to find my car. If you push on how things work, all right, so they're working on that part of the site. If you click owner's manual, you have to download it. This will tell you all the EV stuff that's available through GM. Click home. And there we go. So if I go up here, here's the cool thing. I could schedule a service through this app. So what happens when you do that, the dealership you have set up as default will contact them. I had a situation once in my car where the battery lost voltage, and it wasn't a bad dip, but it was just enough to where the OnStar computer picked it up. So in my app, I have the dealers set up from where I bought the car. And what happened was, is my car sent out a signal to the OnStar office. They emailed my dealership, and the dealership emailed me. Same thing happened to my sister's car, and they got the numbers mixed up, so they called her about mine, and they called me about her. So, but it did what it was supposed to do. View more. So I could flash lights or stop. But I'm not going to do that right now. So, and the higher car is, the more things it'll do. Now, and there is a button for remote start. Now, I have to warn you with that, if you have a car with a manual transmission, you're not going to have that. You've seen videos and stuff like that where people forget their car's in first gear and it takes off on them. So that's what you're going to have. You have the year of the cars and all that. So, anyway, that's it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.